Hi everyone, it's Matilda, and today I'm gonna do a flip through of this finished recipe journal that I made. And if you're interested and you haven't seen my Craft With Me series where I created this journal, you can watch it here on my YouTube, and I have a playlist where all those videos are. So yeah, here we go. This is the front cover. I did some stenciling, used some paint, this lovely chipboard piece that has hearts, and then I spelled out the word recipes in Swedish with these Scrabble tiles, used some lace, and that's that. Just turned out really cute. So here we go, and I have links or info about all the products that I used, or pretty much all the products that I used, in the description box. And if there's anything else you're wondering about, just ask. So yeah, here on the inside cover I have just this pocket. Then here's some pattern paper, and I have this lace here on the side. And here's one of the pockets, like library style pockets that I created, and it has one of these recipe cards in there, and then it has two like ephemeras in there. And then I've done some stamping throughout the album as well, and I'm using both pattern papers and some coffee dyed papers in here. So here's another recipe card, and I've done some used some, this is like I fussy cut this from the paper collection, and then I have a little label here from Tracy Fox, some more lace and stamping. Here's some recipe cards in this little pocket that I created. Another recipe card. Oh yeah, that's it. Some more recipe cards. So here's the second signature. Here's recipe cards and this little ephemera card, or just card. Just some coffee dyed papers. Another pocket here with some recipe cards in them, and then this little cluster that I made using some die cuts from the collection, and some other ephemera that I had in my stash. Here I used a little bag creating this tuck spot, and you can also use, you know, you can put things inside this little bag. Some, you know, more recipe cards, and then this mason jar again, and I printed this, I printed it on this pattern paper. Really like that. And some more lace. And then the third signature, I really like this lace. It's so pretty. Some more recipe cards. And then another pocket with recipe cards, and then these ephemera pieces. And another big pocket, and this little cluster that I made. And here I stamped Love at First Bite. Some more lace. Oops, recipe cards. Another pocket. And then some more recipe cards, and then this ephemera. And here's another little card with a recipe card, of course. And then another pocket, and then this cake card. And then this is the last signature. So another recipe card, and then these ones, and I really like this one with apple. And then oops. And here I stamped eat, love, sleep, repeat. So more recipe cards and this little card. And here's the back inside cover, and I just made a pocket there too. And just here in the back, I just stamped my handmade by stamp. That's in Swedish, and there's my name and the year 2020. And I just love all the laces here on the side. So yeah, that's my recipe journal. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, everyone. Bye!